Wow.
Hello guys, so today we are going to field and see, hope you are going to enjoy this end, so stay tuned. So as of now the road condition is better, but here it is very authentic, so we're going to enjoy at the same time. It will be difficult for us to like reach to our destination, so stay tuned. Oh my god, finally reached. We'll keep our vehicle here and real quick. So I think we are going down, so like it might take maybe 30 minutes. See the road. We have reached to the field. Okay. Okay. Tired. So, hello, hey. How are you, ma? So, we have to block. Okay. Okay. Yo. Yo. So, even this one. Okay. Okay. Yo. Even this one. Okay. Harapannya sih apa? This pineapples here, so we'll be cutting all the pineapples there. Okay, like this.
Anh em phải làm hậu đi hậu.
Wow.
Hậu ngỏ hậu.
Done. Just waiting. It's too hot. Oh, hi. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh.
Mèn muối.
Oh, hi. Okay. So, अभी शुरू किया जाए. Wow.
xem hết được xem hạt đâu má trong này bà tăng tăng nhẹ đúng không không thế này nhiều
We're going to we will carry this pineapple and go to the main road now. We are going now and we have to come back again. Ngao vẫn ngồi về. Meet Jack nữa. So we are going to take part now. Hey. So, even for me it's wow. Yeah. So I have to we are carrying pineapples and banana. Oh hey. Oh hey. Oh hey. Oh hey. Oh hey. So we are going to reach the main road. Tired. See. Okay. I just have to lay down here. Okay. Again, we have to go back again and carry second trip. This is first trip, and we have we need to go back again since there are more.
Không cuốn đi. Đan. Ok. Chứ không phải có mà. Giờ mất tập bao nhiêu?
The second trip and here. Ơi. Những năm rồi. Guys, we are going back. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.